Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So during the quarantine, I've actually been trying to pick up on different hobbies and to learn different things that I've wanted to learn before when I didn't have as much time. And let me just take a moment before I continue that thought. I had to cut my nails. I'm actually so upset. I had to actually cut my nails because I could not keep the dip powder as long as I did. Literally my nails were like this long and the dip powder was like halfway through the nail. So that was just not happening. So I had to cut my nails super short. And it's a lot to get used to, but it's better that than to have a hot mess of dip powder on your nails. I actually did order a dip powder kit and it should be coming in the mail soon. I just couldn't hold off that much longer because they just look so crazy. I was like, nah, this is not happening. So we are rocking short nails now. So like I was saying about learning something different during quarantine, I wanted to pick up on different hobbies that I've been wanting to pick up when I didn't have the time, but now that I do have the time, I figured why not focus on that. So with that being said, one of the things that I've been wanting to learn is how to braid my hair. So I know how to do basic braids. I've done box braids on my hair, and I know how to do certain braids, but they don't always come out perfect. So I wanted to learn how to kind of cornrow, but not really, because I don't know, I just don't have the grip. I learned how to braid my hair in a way where I'm just like, all right, now I'm gonna create some cool ass hairstyles for you guys, which that's exactly what today's video is gonna be. It's gonna be a hairstyle that I thought of, and I was like, let's give some summer vibes because we might not have a summer, but doesn't mean we can't do some cute hairstyles. So if you're interested in watching me create this hairstyle, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. And I'll drop my handle so you can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Alright, so my hair is freshly washed and detangled. I know it looks a little crazy right now. I don't have any product other than my leave-in that I left in when detangling, but this is that. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with a fine-tooth comb. I need this just to make sure that everything looks precise and looks bomb. So we're gonna part our hair in the middle. Alright, perfect. And then what we're gonna do is use this side and make a section up here. It'll be like a little square section. Okay guys, so I clearly got too distracted and I couldn't finish talking and doing my hair at the same time. So what I meant to say is you tie the rest of your hair back, and the square section that you created up front, now you're gonna create 4 subsections. So my goal is to create 4 braids. So try to part your hair as evenly as possible. This is literally impossible to do without a mirror, but I'm doing my best. So go ahead and part them in 4 sections and tie them away, just like I'm doing here. And just keep repeating till you have 4 sections. Okay, so starting with the closest section to my ear, I'm going to use the Main Choice Heavenly Halo leave-in, and I'm going to rake that through my hair just to make sure that my sections are each moisturized just like the rest of my hair will be. And then I'm also going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is just going to make sure that my braid stays in place and gives me that extra hold. And then I'll begin braiding. So I didn't actually film a whole how-to on how to braid because like I told you guys, I am still learning and I don't feel 1000% comfortable yet. But once I do, I will totally make an entire braiding video for you guys. And once I'm done braiding up to my ear, I will go ahead and use a little rubber hair tie and tie it up at the end. And for the next 3 sections, repeat the same exact process. So start with the leave-in, rake it through, add the gel, and then braid away. So go ahead and continue that till you get to the top braid. Left side of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm learning. I'm still not perfect at it, but I am working at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the rest of my hair, and then I will come back to you guys and show you guys the results. Okay, so just like I did for my braids, we're gonna do throughout the rest of our hair. I'm gonna still use the same exact leave-in, so the Main Choice Heavenly Halo leave-in, as well as the Wetline Extreme Gel. In this case, I am gonna use a Denman brush to evenly distribute both products. So as you guys can see in this video, I'm parting my hair into a few sections, distributing the leave-in and brushing it through. Also using the Wetline Extreme Gel to rake it through and also brush it through. I have my weird methods, but it works really well for me, so yeah. Once you start getting towards the braids, just be very careful when you brush it through. You don't want to go ahead and tug on the braids because you don't want to pull your hair. Just be very careful when you're applying products around your braids, just to make sure you don't ruin the braids nor tug the braid and pull your hair out. Alright guys, so I fully styled my hair using the Main Choice leave-in and the Wetline Extreme Gel that I showed you guys a little earlier. And I'm pleased with the results so far. So I ended up doing 4 braids on the side. You could definitely do more. I just chose to do 4 just cause. And right now you can't really tell, but once it's fully dry, I know it's gonna look completely different, which I'm excited. And again, I'm not a professional braider, but I am very happy with how these came out. And I feel like the dry results are gonna look super bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair and then I will come back and show you guys my results. Alright guys, so these are my dry results and honestly, I love this hairstyle. It gives me such summer vibes. And I honestly haven't created more hairstyles with braids because I didn't feel too comfortable braiding before. But the way these turned out, I'm not mad. But the only problem is, since I braided this way too close to the top, I have to bobby pin this back so that way you can actually see the braid. So I brought a few bobby pins and I'm just gonna pin them underneath so that way they stay in place. I think only one should be fine. And now it's not just flopping over, it's just under the hair. But yeah, you can fluff it out as much as you'd like. I'm personally gonna leave it as is because I know it's gonna fluff itself throughout the day. But yeah, these are my final results. Here's a closer look. I love this products combo, by the way. The Main Choice Heavenly Halo leave-in, I know it has a very long name, but for sure, if you look that up, you'll find it right away. The leave-in with the Wetline Extreme Gel has always been such a duo that no matter when I try it, how I try it, it always works for me. So I love the definition that it gave my curls. I'm not gonna fluff it out. I might scrunch out the crunch again, maybe later in the day. But like I said, I'm just gonna let it rock this hairstyle for a bit. I mean, I know we're all in quarantine, but it does not mean that we can't get cute for ourselves. Like, I just threw on a cozy cardigan. I kept it on with a tank top. I'm wearing leggings. Like, you don't have to be bummy at home. I feel like the best way to get through this is to get up and start a routine. Like, get up, get dressed, and just start your day as if you were gonna go somewhere, but don't. For me, I like to put on something cute every day, whether it just be a cute cozy cardigan, a cute tank top, some cute cozy sweats. Since I've been working from home, this is something that I'm accustomed to, is just getting dressed to stay home. So cozy fashion is my thing. And you know, I'm living right now, I'm thriving. Hairstyle is very easy to create, as you guys saw, and it's minimal supplies being used. Super quick, super easy, super cute. And you should try this for your next sala fit. It's cute. Sala means living room in Spanish, so this could be your new living room look. So let me know if you'd like to see more hairstyles, because I'd love to create some new ones for you, or just recreate other ones that you guys might have questions about. Let me know down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!